I'm gonna be telling you how to make money online from home or anywhere. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn more about making money online and starting your online business, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Number 1, earning an income on Rev. This is a super easy way to earn some quick bucks and you don't need any experience. You can work from the comfort of your home or literally anywhere. All you have to do is head over to rev.com, scroll all the way to the bottom and sign up as a freelancer to convert audio or video to text. So on the website, you'll find transcriptionist and captioner jobs. For the transcriptionist option, all you have to do is listen to the audio or video and type out accurately what is being said. For this, they pay anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. They also have the captioner option, and for this, all you have to do is watch the video and accurately type out what is being said, and you can get paid anywhere from 54 cents to $1.10 for this. I honestly think this is a great side hustle and you can earn some quick bucks. Alright, the next one is a virtual assistant or a VA. A virtual assistant can be any type of remote assistant who can provide administrative, creative, or technical support services for online or brick-and-mortar business owners. It kind of sounds like Siri or Alexa, but it's not. It's something you will be doing remotely for small business owners. There are hundreds of services that you can offer as a virtual assistant. For example, calendar management, appointment setting, customer service emails, invoicing, and even writing or blogging for them. The options are endless to what you can do as a VA. You can head to Fiverr or Upwork and easily post your job on there. A virtual assistant usually starts with $5 per hour, and if this is a part-time client, then you work 20 hours a week, which makes you $100 a week, and that would be $400 a month. To give you an idea, 20 hours would be around 4 hours a day. That's just one client. If you consider full-time clients, then you work 40 hours a week, and that makes you $200 a week. That's $800 a month, and that's not bad at all. You can start at $5 per hour and increase up to $25 per hour gradually as you get better at the job. The third one is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell stuff online without the product ever being in your hand. All you need is a computer, an online store, and a basic understanding of how to sell and market products online. Here's how it works. First, you go to Alibaba.com and find a product you want to sell. Look for trending products under the Ready to Ship tab, as the majority of the dropshipping companies will be under this tab on Alibaba. Let's assume this product that you want to sell costs $50. Then you need to create a simple Shopify website and list that product on your website at a price you set. Let's assume you're charging $80. So when someone places an order for that product on your website, your customer pays you the retail price you have set, which is $80. You then forward the order to your supplier and pay them the wholesale price. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer and you make a profit of $30. A lot of people are actually making thousands of dollars per month only with dropshipping. Alright, number 4 is Facebook Marketplace. This is actually a great option, and I've seen a lot of people make a lot of money just by selling random things on the Facebook Marketplace. You can go to the marketplace and list literally anything that you own or have at home that you have never used, or maybe something you don't need. You can list it at any price you want. You'll start to receive views and offers, and they usually come pick it up, which is a great thing. If they want it to be delivered, you can charge the extra. The fifth and the final one is to become a social media manager. You can do this job from anywhere in the world that has internet connection. Social media is such a lucrative, flexible, and awesome business. Social media managers offer services like content creation, which could be images, posts, graphics, and captions, daily maintenance, hashtag research, post scheduling, ad management, and so on. You can head over to Fiverr or Upwork.com and easily post your job on there. You can start by charging $5 to $7 per post per platform initially. You can definitely check out the pricing of social media managers who are already on Fiverr and Upwork to get a better idea. And of course, you can increase your price as you gradually get better and have more experience. To learn more about making money online and online businesses, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit like and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.